Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, we're going to cover 75 most important MCQ questions from musical instrument for the upcoming SSC MTS exam 2025. And I hope this video will definitely be helpful for you. So please watch the complete video and make sure to like, share and subscribe. Okay, let's start the video. So the first question, which instrument, a popular classical string instrument of South India, is considered one of the oldest in the world and is associated with the goddess Saraswati? Option number A, Veena. Question number 2. T.N. Krishnan, a highly revered figure in the world of Carnatic music, was a maestro of which instrument? Option number C, violin. Question number 3. The soundboard tumba of sitar is traditionally made from the dried shell of which vegetable or fruit? Question number C, bottle gourd. Question number 4. Which famous wind instrument, often described as a conical oboe, is primarily used in temple music and ritual processions in South India and is played by Gosavidu Sheikh Hassan? Option number C, Nadeshwara. 5. What is the traditional North Indian single-stringed instrument often used by wandering minstrels and mendicants for devotional folk music? Option number B, Ektara. 6. The renowned maestro Pandit Shivkumar Sharma is credited with popularizing which instrument in Indian classical music, originally a folk instrument of Kashmir? Option number B, Santur. 7. Which Indian musical instruments, namely literally translates two bodies, Mrid and Anga, referring to its two-sided structure? Option number C, Mridangam. 8. The sarod, a prominent stringed instrument is Hindustani classical music. In Hindustani classical music, is believed to be derived from which Afghan folk instrument? Option number C, rabab. 9. The instrumental Jal Tarang, which consists of a set of ceramic bowls filled with water and played by striking, belongs to which class of musical instruments? Option number C, Ghana Vadya, solid or idiophone. 10. Which legendary musician is credited by some historical accounts with inventing the sitar during the Delhi Sultanate period by modifying the veena? Option number C, Amir Khusro. 11. Pandit Purushottam Das, a recipient of the Sangeet Natak Academy Award, is a foremost exponent of percussion instrument historically played in accompaniment to Dhrupad music. Option number B, Pakhawaj. 12. The Indian instrument Gopi Chand, a single stringed instrument with a stretch membrane, is categorized as a? Option number A, Tat Badhya. 13. Which instrument is often played by a couple, one playing the treble section, Dayan, and the other the bass section, Bayan? Option number B, Tabla. 14. Ustad Amjad Ali Khan, an Indian classical musician, is a renowned master of which musical instrument? Option number B, Sarod. 15. Which folk string instrument of Madhya Pradesh, often considered a variation of the sarangi, is played with a horsehair bow? Option number C, Chikara. 16. Ustad Vilayat Ali Khan is a maestro in? Option number C, sitar. 17. Who among the following is the world renowned exponent of the bamboo flute? Option number C, Hariprasad Chaurasia. 18. Buddhadev Dasgupta is famous for playing which of the following musical instruments? Option number A, sarod. 19. Ustad Zia Mohinuddin Dagar was a dash player of the profound depth, favoring sposh and slow realization of ragas. Ustad Zia Mohinuddin Dagar. Number D, Rudra Veena. 20. Padma Bhushan awardee Ustad Sabri Khan played which of the following musical instruments? Number D, Sarangi. 21. Annapurna Devi is associated with which of the following musical instruments? Option number D, Surbahar. 22. Arvind Parikh is known for playing which of the following musical instruments? Option number D, Sitar. 23. Umayalpuram K. Sivaram is famous for playing which of the following musical instruments? Option number B, Mridangam. 24. Which of the following is not a stringed instrument? Number A, flute. 25. Jantar is a string instrument popular in the folk music of which of the following states? Option number A, Gujarat. 26. Which of the following musical instruments is not played by percussion striking? Option number A, Shahnai. 27. Which of the following instruments is also known as the Tatantri Veena? Number C, Santur. 28. Ustad Asad Ali Khan is associated with which of the following musical instruments? Number C, Rudra Veena. 29. Bhajan Chopadi is associated with which of the following musical instrument? Number A, Santur. 30. Brij Bhushan Kabra is an exponent of which of the following instruments? Number C, guitar. 31. Bundu Khan is known for which musical instrument? Option number D, Sarangi. 32. Anant R. Krishnan is associated with which of the following musical instruments? Option number A, Mridangam. 33. The famous musician Vishnu Govin Jog is primarily associated with which of the following musical instruments? Option number A, violin. 34. Mohan Shyam Sharma is a famous musician associated with the option number C, Pakhwaj. 35. The famous musician Aban Mistry is associated with which instrument? Option number B, tabla. 36. Padma Shri awardee Goshabhiru Sheikh Hassan is known for playing? Option number A, Nadaswaram. 37. Who among the following musicians played Carnatic music with Ghatam? Option number B, T.H. Vinayakram. 38. Upalappu Srinivas, U. Srinivas was a dash player who was awarded with the Padma Shri in 1998. Option number C, mandolin. 39. Pandit Ramanarayan, who was awarded the Pandit Bhimsen Joshi Lifetime Achievement Award for 2015-16, is a dash player. Option number C, Sharangi. 40. Prabhat Sharma is a recipient of Sangeet Natak Academy Award was a dash player from Assam. Option number D, flute. 41. Famous musician Talvin Singh is associated with dash playing the dash. Option number A, tabla. 42. Niruswami Pillai and Rajaratnam Pillai are exponents of which musical instrument? Option number C, Nadaswaram. 43. Who among the following Indian musicians is the inventor of Mohan Veena? Option number C, Pandit Vishwa Mohan Bhatt. 44. Ustad Akbar Ali Khan is remembered for his contribution to which of the following musical instruments? Option number D, Sarod. 45. R.K. Vijapur played which of the following musical instruments? Option number A, harmonium. 46. Which musical instrument Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, former President of India, used to play? Option number C, Veena. 47. Ramanand V. Raghavan is associated with which of the following musical instrument? Option number A, Mridangam. 48. Tutaram Sharma is associated with which of the following instrument? Option number C, Pakhwaj. 49. The musician Shivamani is associated with which musical instrument? Option number A, drum. 50. Select the correct sequence of the musical instruments according to the given sequence of their associated personalities. Usad Allah Rakha, Tutaram Sharma, T.H. Vinayakram. Number C, Tabla, Pakhwaj, Ghatam. 51. Tansen, who was included in the Navaratnas of Akbar, was an expert in playing which of the following musical instrument? Number D, Rabab. 52. The famous musician Fayaz Khan is associated with which musical instrument? Option number C, Tabla. 53. Select the Indian musician who is associated with percussion instrument played by striking. Option number C, Pandit Ayodhya Prasad. 54. Which of the following instruments is performed by Nandini and Ragini Shankar? Number C, violin. 55. Which of the following musical instruments are solid instruments? Number B, Ghanavadya. 56. The Shahnai is a reed instrument with how many holes along the tubes? Option number B, 7. 57. What is Tat Badya? Number B, string instrument. 58. Flute instruments comes under which type of instrument category? Option number B, Sushira Vadya. 59. Bikram Ghosh, a recipient of Global Indian Music Award, is a music composer and an Indian classical dash player. Number C, Tabla. 60. Rajiv Taranath, a disciple of Ali Akbar Khan, is a dash player. Option number C, Sarod. 61. Pandit Anandagopal Bandyopadhyay was a dash player of the Benares Gharana. Number D, Tabla. 62. Who among the following is India's only publicly well-known women Shahnai player? Number C, Vageshwari Kamar. 63. Padma Bhushan awardee Pandit Nikhil Jyoti Ghosh was a dash player. Option number B, Tabla. 64. Who among the following is an outstanding player to have mastered the Surbhar instrument? Option number A, Ustad Imrat Khan. 65. Lalgudi Gopala Iyer Jayaraman used to play which of the following musical instruments? Option number D, violin. 66. Pandit Shapan Chaudhary is associated with dash instrument. Option number C, tabla. 67. Which of the following musical instruments did Dwaram Venkateswamy Naidu play? Number A, violin. 68. Which of the following is not a percussion instrument? Is not a percussion instrument. Number D, Sarod. 69. Which of the following musical instrument is also known as the Mangal Vadya? Option number A, Shahnai. 70. A distinct Dhrupad style is associated with the dash Gharana. Option number D, Vishnupur. Okay, it's question number 71. Which of the following instrument is normally played in a vertical position and with an arched bow? Option number B, Sarangi. 72. Ponu Yakshi, a sword-like instrument used during ceremonial dances performed by the priests, belong to? Number D, Arunachal Pradesh. 73. Chinkara is a dash musical instrument popular in the state of Madhya Pradesh. Option number C, tinged. 24. The traditional binding instrument called pinna is related to which of the following state? Option number D, Manipur. 25. The musical instrument kartal from the state of Rajasthan comes under the category of? Option number D, idiophone. So that's all for today, and thank you so much for watching this video. If you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Also, you can get PDF from my Telegram channel, the link in the description. Alright, keep watching, keep learning. See you in the next video. Thank you.